In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the freezer drawer shaft in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new freezer drawer shaft, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To remove the freezer door, open the freezer and locate these two bolts on the back side of the door near the upper corners. Slightly loosen them with a 1/4 inch nut driver, wrench, or socket. Once loose, you can lift the door off the hanging struts. To remove the drawer stop, insert a small flat blade screwdriver into the slot and gently start to pry on the locking tab. Then grab and pull to remove. You may find this tricky. Repeat the same on the other side. Now, remove the top drawer by sliding it out and lifting up. Now, to remove the bottom drawer, tilt up on the front, push to the back to release the locking tabs, and lift out. This may be a little tricky. Using a flat blade screwdriver, insert it in the gap and carefully rotate the screwdriver to separate the clip so it can slide over the retainer. Now, remove the shaft from the freezer. Then, slide the clip off the shaft. When shopping for a new freezer drawer shaft, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. The drawer shaft does not include the gear clip, so you'll need to transfer from the original or order separately if needed. To install the gear clip, slide it on the shaft with the smaller end facing out. This will go on the right side of the freezer. To install the drawer shaft, make sure both drawer slides are fully extended and insert the shaft into the left side first. Then, press it into the gear on the right. Now, align the clip over the gear and push to lock in place. To install the bottom drawer, first locate the locking tabs on the back that need to be hooked on the drawer slides. Then, insert the back of the drawer at an angle between the upper rail and drawer slide. Now, tilt the front down and position it on the slides. Then, make sure the retaining tabs align to the slots. You may need to push the drawer back for the retaining tab to catch. To install the top drawer, align the rear wheels to the rails, ensuring the guide is aligned properly, and push back in place. To install the drawer stop, align and firmly press in place. Repeat the same on the other side. To install the freezer door, align the hanging tabs near the bottom of the door to the slides and the bolts to the notches on the hanging struts. Once the door is seated properly, tighten the bolts. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.